Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant error that says your game requires a system restart to play. This issue is common, but the good news is it's easy to fix. So let's get started. First, go to your Valorant desktop shortcut, right-click, and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching the game again. If the error still appears, open Task Manager. Find all Riot-related processes, right-click them, and click End Task. You'll need to do the same for Valorant. Now open the Start menu, type Run, and open it. Type services.msc. Press Enter, then scroll down and find VGC. Double-click it and make sure. Startup type, Automatic. Then click Start, Apply, and OK. Go back to Task Manager, and click Startup Apps. Scroll until you see VGC Tray/Riot Vanguard and make sure it's enabled. Restart your PC and try launching Valorant again. If the issue still exists, open Start menu, Add or Remove Programs. Find Riot Vanguard, click Uninstall. After uninstalling, open Valorant again. It will automatically reinstall Vanguard. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.